The hottest, sunniest, driest place in the garden, where it's unbearable to be in the summer, is of course the best place to test cacti. So this bed here, this is a bed that has mainly prickly pear cacti, and as you can see, there's many different sizes, so many different ones I've trialed. Many I have killed mainly because of moisture, but these are the survivors. What you're seeing here are last year's pads. So the top ones, of course, are the pads that the plant grew last year, and then the one below that is from the year before, and so on. So it's kind of a timeline. So all of these really tall ones are a single plant right in here, and it started right there and have spread out in different directions from there. So this is the old bed that I started in the 90s, and they're really easy to root. All you do is you let the cactus pad sit for about a week, just out in the open. Can be sun, can be shade, can be in the back window of your car. You just let it lay there and heal over where it broke off. And then you can plant it. So these are penstemons, and they're just about to open. Pent is 5, it means 5 stamens from the Greek. Cactus growing can be intense, and I keep this bed small and I keep it manageable so that I can reach into the middle from both sides, because it is high maintenance. Of all my gardens, this is these cactus beds are the most high maintenance, because cacti cannot tolerate having, like in the fall, they can't tolerate having the leaves on them. They hold moisture.